my name is Brooke and welcome to our channel where every week I do something different. So we did move again and I thought that would be fun to set up a little area outside for my new summer background, but it snowed. You know, just the end of April and it snowed. We love that. So since it did snow, it is gloomy and cold out here right now, so I didn't want to film a video out here today. But stay tuned for some videos out here, and the background might be changing. I obviously want to make it a little bit more cuter and get somewhere where I can sit, because right now I'm currently standing. I mean, who knows, I might not change anything out here at all. But stay tuned for those videos so you can see if I do change anything, and because there will be my summer videos and I'm super excited for those videos. So since I did not want to film out here today, I decided that I would show you guys me unboxing my new iPhone XS. Yes, I did get a new phone. I'm super thankful for it. I love it so much. So I don't want this video to sound like I am bragging at all, so please don't take it that way. I'm super grateful that I was able to get a new phone. I was currently using the iPhone SE or the 5 for about 3 years, so it was getting pretty old, and I'm so thankful that I was able to get a new phone. Since I'm doing an unboxing my new iPhone XS, also stay tuned for a what's on my iPhone XS. So without further ado, let's just get right on to the video. Okay guys, so I got my iPhone XS here. I'm super excited. I'm about to open it. I've been waiting to do this for so long now. If you're wondering about the background, I'm in my sister's room at my dad's house right now, so that's why it's different than usual. And let's just get into this. So I got my knife here. I've never used one of these by myself at least, so let's hopefully I don't cut myself. I'm super excited right now. I would be so sad right now if this is like the wrong package. It's so cute. I've never like, oh, okay. I don't want to open it. I'm gonna ruin it. Guys, I'm about to, okay, I know I'm making such a big deal of this, but like, okay, there we go. What? This is so weird. This is not headphones. Imagine if it came with AirPods. Oh my goodness. We got headphones, we got a charger. Super excited about those things. I love this phone so much already. Okay, it says like I need to put my phone. I don't know if it'll completely work because my phone's kind of old, but I'm gonna go off of this and I'm gonna put my phone next to each other just to see if it can like sync it. That's kind of what it's saying right now. So hopefully it'll work. If not, I don't know. So I'll be back with you guys in just 1 minute. Okay guys, so I'm not entirely sure what just happened, but I pretty much just had to put my phone next to it, and I guess it synced up. I don't know. I'm not completely in the phone right now. It's just about to ask me for Face ID, and we don't have Wi-Fi here, so I don't know. It wasn't working entirely, but I turned on my hotspot on this phone that I'm filming with right now, my old phone, and so this is what it's connected to. So hopefully it works, because like they are technically the same phone, I guess you could say, the same everything. So hopefully it works. I'm about to do Face ID, so I'm super excited about this, and yeah, let's just get into it. Okay, Face ID is now set up. It worked. It worked. Okay guys, so I just tried to set up my new iPhone. It's not quite working right now. I think I just need help from my dad, so he's not here right now, but when he gets back, we'll just back up my old phone and hopefully he'll be able to figure it all out. I'm sure he can. The phone's like not super big, which I like that. I didn't want the Max or anything because I like a smaller phone because that's what I'm used to, but it definitely is bigger. Obviously way more screen than I am used to. I'm really excited about this. I love it. Hey guys, so it's the next day now. As we can tell from the background, it's different that I am still at my dad's house, and I am just about to open my screen protector and my phone case. I'm super excited, so let's just get right into it. Okay, so first I'm gonna open my screen protector. This is like $5 from Target. It's just a glass screen protector. I know those aren't like the best ones, but $5, and I think this case is gonna be pretty protective anyways. So it's just there for just in case. I can always get a new one if I need to. I'm literally tearing this package apart. Let's hope this is not already broken or anything. Voila, it's not. Okay, I'm gonna put this on. Okay, so you probably can't even tell, but the screen protectors are now. Yeah, now for the phone case. I got the spec clear case iPhone XS and iPhone X. Okay guys, so I just got my phone case put on now. Here is what the back looks like. It has the spec symbol right here. And then here is the front. So overall, it's a little bulkier than I thought it would be. The front, I definitely don't think it's that much of screen protection. So that is why I am happy that I have a screen protector just in case. But overall, I think it would do a pretty good job of protecting my phone. So I'm really excited about it. I do like it a lot, and I am super excited about this phone. So yeah, I got my phone case, my screen protector, Face ID all set up. Yeah. So thank you so much for watching this video, and if you liked it, make sure to give a big thumbs up. If you haven't already, subscribe and hit that little bell next to it so you get notified every time I post a new video. Like I said more towards the beginning of the video, stay tuned for a What's on My iPhone XS. Also, something I just want to say is I'm not positive if I will be posting next week or not. I will be out of town with some friends, so I don't know if I'll be able to post. I might post, I might not post, so just be prepared for that if I don't post. So I don't know when I'll see you guys next, but bye! That's pretty cool. Ugh. That scared me. Okay.